What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Eos Island. This is going to be a walking tour from Eos Port to Koumpara, around the Greek restaurant, around the amazing beach bars of Pathos, explore that area, and I walk from the port of Eos to Koumpara, so that's what you're going to see throughout the video. Towards the end is the actual bars and the beaches of Koumpara. So if you want to see what those look like, go towards the middle to the end of the video where that starts. In the middle of this video, I'm just walking from Eos Port to Koumpara. If you enjoy virtual tours like this, please do like the video and subscribe to Island Hopper TV. Also, there's going to be a part 2 from Pathos on Eos Island that I'm going to make after this video. So do search Island Hopper TV for the Pathos video if that's what you're looking for. And let's begin.
What's going on, everybody? I have just arrived in Eos. This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV. So Eos is an island about an hour and I'd say about an hour and 10 minutes away from Santorini's port. This is the port in Eos, another Greek island. Far more low-key, actually. So I just wanted to show you guys around here. And I'm going to be looking to run a quad at this Roadrunner place here. So we'll see how that goes, and talk to you soon. Alright, so this village is a lot different, or this island's a lot different than Santorini in pace. It's similar in the sense that it's a Greek island, here comes the Golden Star Ferries, another ferry, bringing in the tourists, bringing them in and bringing them out. So there's like 3 beaches on my radar here, but there's at least 10 beaches on this island to explore. If you like beaches, you could just come to this island and just check out the beaches. Whereas Santorini, the beaches are not really what make that island popular. It's the towns, Fera and Ia. Maybe Pariza. Pariza Beach is a good, and so is Akaturi. take a look at this first beach here. This is in the town. Golden color sand, huh? So I found a walking trail here on Eos. That's the main village right over there, where the boats come in, Super Ferry 2. There's another beach. And yeah, so I found this trail. We're gonna walk this trail. It's better than the road. There's like no side lanes. There's lizards, okay. So if we got lizards, any other reptiles? Going to a beach around the bend here. They say it doesn't rain here, but they said that exact same thing about Santorini. And then sure enough, what happened last night? Showers, like maybe for 5 hours of just rain, off and on. Of course, I said, did it rain here? And they said no. And then I said, does it ever rain here? And they said nope. But those look like some rain clouds, no joke. All right, let's see what we got here. This looks like an old trail because people put those rocks there, or is that natural? Almost looks natural, but at the same time it's like coincidentally holding the dirt up. Okay, so it's like a little beach. I'm gonna go back up towards the road. I have no idea how tricked out that walk would be, but got flip-flops on and just don't see a need to do it. Okay, here's a rock wall. What is this? Like an old rock house? Like Greek ruins or what? Someone's house. Wow. Alright. Let's go walk down here then. it for that little walk. And now we're headed back to this place that I thought was under construction, but it's not. It's open. So we're going up there. That was a pretty cool restaurant and pool. It's only a year and a half old. That's just imagine what this place will look like in 5 years, right? Oh. Wow, look at that. Oh, I suppose I could stay on the path, but it's so tempting to just cross right through there, although it looks like there's a fence there, so I won't. Yeah, this place is going to be something else in 20 years. So, the girl that works there, Jenny, is telling me that, yeah, it's only a year and a half old. Alright, well, I'm not going to film all this.